Yo guys, what is going on? It is your boy B Jung. I am back. Today I wanted to do a little unboxing on a new credit card that I got. So this is the Chase Business Cash Card, and I recently just made a video on how you guys can get a credit card online using a business. And it's not the best packaging. This ain't no American Express Black Card or Platinum Card, but I still want to share this information with you guys. Let's get right into my camera and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is it. It came from Westerville, Ohio, and all the Chase cards I've gotten, I've noticed, have been coming from this address, but I already went ahead and crossed out some of the things I needed to. Oh shit, no I didn't. Alright guys, now I crossed everything out that I had to. So, here we got the packaging. I went ahead and crossed out my confidential information. I can't keep making the same jokes again about how creepy people will find me. That's getting very old, I know. So, let's get right into this. So here is my new Ink Business Cash Card. I want to share with you guys the credit line I had too, because I know a lot of people are curious about that. This one, I didn't call them in for anything. They're just starting me out with $15,000 on my business card. This is the card itself right here. It just tells you don't forget to kind of sign up with us. It has the cashback rewards program right here. 5% back on purchases, office supplies, cellular, phone, etc., etc. 2%, and then 1% cash back. Gives you a special phone number for you to call them if you want to activate the card. This is a good looking card, you guys. It actually kind of looks metal when I first got it. It is plastic as hell, but it's not a bad looking card, you guys. Not at all. So definitely a very good looking card. I just wish it was metal. You know, there's nothing much else to it. It is your average business credit card right here, and you know, I do wish that they would invest a little bit more into a cooler packaging. I'm not gonna lie, you know, I'm a little picky with that, but it's cool. You know, we got the card and we have the papers that are giving us, and we have the papers for it. So here is another paper from our president over here at Chase. Thank you for signing up with this card, etc., etc. And you know, the cash line access, late fee, $39, 0% interest on the first 12 months, and then 15.49%. So, you know, you guys, I might take advantage of that. We never know. You never know. So this might be the card for it. I got a whole year, but definitely something you guys should also take into consideration if you guys are looking into more of the statistical data for this card. Now here is a pamphlet. Definitely looks more attractive than this little poopy poop. We got the Ink Cash Card right here, 5%, 2%, 1%. Welcome to your new business card. We hope your business thrives. Sure you do. And stay organized while you go. Get the app, travel protection, security on your account, tools for your business, and some more fine print on ultimate rewards that I don't think I should go over. Here we got the why, the what, the how, what they do with our personal information. This might be important for some people. It's not very big to me. This is the Ink Business Card Agreement, kind of more like the in-depth things, and I don't want to bore you guys on the fine stats too, but this is something you guys should always read if you are applying for a card like this. You want to know everything about it, especially what you're getting. So that is an agreement. I'm not tossing that away, but I'll put that to the side. And here is something that I believe every card gets, and this is what comes with it. So you have your auto rental, your purchase protection, your extended your extended warranty protection, your lost luggage, and more. So these are also some more benefits that should come with it. But for the most part, you guys, I don't want to go into depth about it, but I wanted to share with you guys what kind of comes with a Chase business card. So you're going to have all of these papers. I guess we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 things excluding the envelope, and then we have the card itself right here. So alright guys, so that's really what comes with those Chase business cards. So this card is actually going to be going in my wallet, and then I got another authorized user card, and that one will be going in here. The reason why I get extra authorized user cards is because, I don't know, I just have backups of all my cards as authorized users, and like I said, you don't have to put a social security number. I add myself as an authorized user, and I add whatever name I want to it. So sometimes I'll be Billy Jung if I feel like it. That's just the way I do it. This will be in my wallet while my authorized user card goes in my other binder. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're curious at all to see what a Chase business card unboxing looks like, nothing too crazy, but they do provide you the essentials and the card that comes with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you go, I don't know, have a good day. So peace.